students, we are going to study here the next lesson, that is the linear equation in one variables. Linear equations in one variables. Here we can see here that the linear equations. So before going to start here, that what the linear equations we have to study here. So suppose we have to write an expression 4x square minus 3xy it is. So here the expression 4x square minus 3xy it is. So here 4x terms, here we can see here the terms are 4x and here 4x square is one term and minus 3xy is another terms. 4x square is the one term and minus 3xy is the another terms. And the factors here are, here we can see that factors are 4x and x are the factors of this 4x square. And also we can see here the factors of this one is minus 3x and y. These three are the factors of this minus 3xy terms. And next we can see here the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is here. That is coefficient of x square is 4, and here the coefficient of coefficient of x is minus 3y and coefficient of y is minus 3x. Okay, so what we can see here that the terms here, in these terms the coefficient of x square is 4, in these terms the coefficient of x is minus 3y and the coefficient of y is minus 3x. So in this way we have to find out the coefficient, we have to find out the factors and the terms. Here we can see that. And what are the types of linear equation in one variables? As we know that the monomials, there are different types of equations we can see. That is on the basis of the terms. On the basis of terms we can see that the monomial, binomial and trinomial. Here the monomial is nothing but an expression which has only one term. Monomial is nothing but the expression which has only one term. Binomial is nothing but the expression which has only two terms, and expression which has three terms are called the trinomials. And on the basis of the degrees of the expression or the degrees of the equations are divided again into many types. That is the first one, it is linear equation. Linear equation, then quadratic equation and the cubic equations. Linear equation is nothing but an expression which has the degree 1. An expression which has the degree 1 and that is called the linear equations. An expression which has the degree 2, means highest degree we can see here. An expression which has the highest degree is 2. So such equations are called as the quadratic equations. And an equation which has the degree 3, such types of equations are called as the cubic equations. So now let me see here that what is the degree of these equations? The degree of this equation is 2. So this is the which equation it is? This is the quadratic equations. So some of the basic examples for the linear equations we can see here that minus 3xy, 8z plus 2. All these are the linear equations. All these are the linear equations. It says that linear equation in one variables. As we know that the variables of these equations, the variables are x and y, and minus 3 is the constant. Minus 3 is the constant, and variables are x and y. Here it says that here the variables are z and the constants are 2. Okay, so here the equation it says that the linear equation in one variables. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, वेरिएबल्स अलग अलग नहीं आ सकते. यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है, x y आया हुआ है, x y आया है, तो ये linear equation तो है. These are the linear equations, but these are not in one variables. Here the variables are 2 and here the variables are 1. So this is the linear equation in one variable, but this is not the linear equations. Why in one variables? Why it is not in one variable? Because the variables are 2 here, so this is not the linear equation in one variables. So examples for linear equations in one variables. Linear equations in one variables examples we can write here, that is 8t plus 5. The next one 5y minus 3. So यहाँ पर आपको कंसंट्रेट करना, क्या कंसंट्रेट करना है, आपको दो वेरिएबल्स नहीं आना चाहिए। वेरिएबल्स मींस अल्फाबेट्स, दो अल्फाबेट्स नहीं होने चाहिए और उनकी डिग्री जो है, ये डिग्री जो है 1 होनी चाहिए। So for that case we are going to study these type of linear equations in one variables we are going to study in these lessons. Okay, next here we have some of the examples. One side we have the first we can see that 2x minus 3 is equal to 7 and x upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to minus 3 upon 2 and then 3 upon 7 plus x is equal to 17 upon 7. So what we can do here that all these equations are the equation in one variables are the one side and other side are the numbers. So then during that time how to solve, let me see here. Like first example we can see here that the equation in one variables we can write as one side and another side is the numbers. Let me see here the first one what we can do here that we have to transfer this minus 3 to the right side of this numbers. Okay, then here the 2x it will remains, we have to transfer this minus 3. We have to transfer this minus 3. So it after transferring that minus 3 it becomes, it remains the plus 3. Okay, while transferring from LHS to RHS, be careful that if the plus sign becomes the minus, minus sign becomes the plus. If suppose it is the multiplication in LHS means left hand side, it becomes the division in the right hand side. So be careful here the from transferring from LHS to RHS. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division and division becomes multiplication. Here minus 3 is there, after transferring it becomes the plus 3. So here 2x is equal to 7 plus 3 becomes 10. So then here the relation between these two, 2x is nothing but here we can see that 2 into x it is. 2 into x it is. So we can transfer that 2 to this side, then 10 upon 2 it is. Means it is divided. It is in multiplication, it comes in division. Let me see here that x is equal to what we got here, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. We got x becomes the 5. So यहाँ पर और भी बहुत सारे मेथड्स हैं इनको सॉल्व करने के, अलग-अलग मेथड्स हैं, लेकिन हम एक काफी इजी मेथड आपके लिए जाएगा. So for that case I'm using this one of the easy steps for you. This way you have to solve, you have to find the values of the x. Okay, let me see here another questions, that is what, that is 3 upon x upon, that is what, x upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 which equals to minus 3 upon 2. Let me see here that how to solve this type of equations. As we know that सबसे पहले क्या करना है, वेरिएबल्स को एक साइड में रखना है और पूरे जो भी कांस्टेंट टर्म्स है वो अदर साइड्स में, यानी कि नंबर्स जो है वो एक साइड में कर लो और अल्फाबेट्स जो है उनको एक साइड में. Then next we can see here that is x upon 3 we have to keep that same as it is, we have to keep there only. Then now what is there outside here, the next RHS side is that minus 3 upon 2 we have to write as usual. अभी करना क्या है आपको, we have to transfer this plus 5 upon 2 we have to transfer. यहाँ पर आपको plus 5 upon 2 को ट्रांसफर करना है, ठीक है. अगर आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 को ट्रांसफर करते हैं तो ये डिवीजन में आगे जाकर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हो जाएगा. तो अब ये यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, ये अगर सिर्फ 5 को ट्रांसफर करते हैं तो ये डिवीजन में जाएगा. लेकिन हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ये पूरा टर्म that 5 upon 2 that complete term we are transferring, it means that if it is plus then it becomes minus 5 upon 2 it is. Okay, so then next one we can see here that आगे कैसे solve करना है. You know that we have to simplify this first one, that is what, minus into minus. As we know that यहाँ पर आपको the denominator becomes same must be there, then only you will simplify, otherwise it will not possible. While adding or subtracting the rational numbers, be careful that the denominator becomes same. So here both the denominators are same. We can take that is the common denominator as 2, and here minus 3 and minus 5 it is. So let me see here that is that minus 3 and minus 5 becomes, it is the minus 8 and divided by 2 it is. So x is equal to minus 8 divided by 2 it is, x upon 3 is equal to minus 8 divided by 2. So we have to transfer this 3 to that side. 3 is in division, the 3 goes to the numerator, means 3 goes to, comes in the multiplication. Okay, so we have to multiply it. 3 is in division, we have to after transfer after transferring it in the LHS side, it goes to the numerator. That what we got here, that is that 8 3s are 24, minus 24 upon 2 it is, that is 2 1s are 2 12s are, that is x is equal to minus 12 is the answer we got here. So okay, so in this way we have to solve the next questions also. We can see here that that is what 3 upon 7 plus x is equal to 17 upon 7 it is. So what we can see here that the firstly आपको पहले से ही पता है जैसे कि अल्फाबेट्स एक साइड में रखने हैं और नंबर्स एक साइड में रखने हैं. So सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे, we have to transfer the 17 upon 7, this 3 upon 7 we have to transfer, this is plus sign, it becomes minus here, that is 3 upon 7. So now here the denominator again it is same, that directly you can subtract it is, that is 17 minus 3 is 17 minus 3 is 14, 14 upon 7 which is equal to x is equal to what, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, x is equal to 2, we got the answer. So in this way we have to find out the answers. जब equation in one variables is one side and numbers were other side, then we have to solve the examples in this way. Okay.